Wiper blades are one of those services that customers know they need it when they need it, but tend to forget about it when they don't. But that's why they rely on you, their trusted service professional. And that's the topic of today's Mighty Minute. It's kind of fitting that I'm doing today's Mighty Minute on one of those rainy Florida days. You know, it's a time like this when the customer knows they need new wiper blades, but tend to put the service off or forget about it once the weather turns sunny again. And that's why it's an essential part of the routine inspection you should be performing on every customer's car. The first step is to perform a visual inspection of the wiper blades. Are they obviously worn or damaged? Take a clean shop rag and wipe the blades down to remove any dirt and debris sticking to the blade. Clean the windshield, making sure to clean away the debris that collects at the base of the glass during normal operation. Next, turn on the windshield washer function and inspect the wiper's ability to clean the windshield without streaking and without noise. And don't forget the rear wiper blade if equipped. Repeat the same process you used to check the front blades, cleaning the glass first and then testing wiper operation. Now, if either condition exists, it's a good indication that the wiper blades need replacement. But there are a few other factors you should consider. First, ask yourself, is the wiper blade correct for the vehicle? You know, there are a wide variety of wiper designs, and most even come equipped with an assortment of mounting blocks so that the blade can fit a variety of vehicles. Well, that's the problem, variety of vehicles. You see, each vehicle has different factors that impact wiper performance. Wind loads across the windshield, the curvature of the glass, the pressure of the blades against the windshield, and others. If you want best results, stick to the same design that the OEM used. Number 2, is the windshield truly clean? It's not unusual for a wax buildup to start occurring on a windshield that's been through one too many automatic car washes. And windshield wipers are designed to work against glass, not wax, not bug and tar remover, or any other kind of artificial coating. In fact, these coatings create additional friction between the surface and the wiper blade that can wear out the wiper blade prematurely and even overstress the wiper motor. Well, as you can probably hear, the rain has returned, but that's all right. Now we have the vehicle fitted with the correct wiper blade, in this case a Tech Select Aero from Mighty Auto Parts, working on a windshield that is free and clean of dirt and artificial coatings. This system's going to work just as good as the OEM engineer designed it to, probably better than what the customer's used to, and they'll have you to thank for it. Thanks for watching.